Hi friends, welcome to my documentary. Now I am telling about how to fill the 4 empty boxes by using of their values. We multiply these two boxes, we are supposed to get 12. If we multiply these two vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 24. And furthermore, if we add these two vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 40. And finally, if we subtract these two horizontal boxes, we are supposed to get 10. And now we are going to fill out these boxes by figuring out the appropriate values for every empty box. Friends, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead. Now get started with the solution, and here's the very first step. Let me go. Label these empty boxes. Let me label this one as an A, this one has a lowercase b, this is C, and this has a lowercase d. And now we can see that if we multiply these two boxes, A times B is going to be 12. Let me go ahead, write down A times B equals to 12. And if we multiply these two boxes, we are going to get B times D equals to 24. And now let's focus on these boxes. A plus C is equal to 40. Let me go ahead and write down A plus C is equal to 40. And finally, this is C minus D equal to 10. Let's go ahead and write down C minus D equal to 10. Now we can see that we got these four equations, and we are going to solve them by using elimination method as well as the substitution method. Now the next step, let's focus on these two equations. We are going to subtract. Let's go ahead and subtract. I am going to change the sign. This C becomes to negative sign, and this D negative sign becomes to positive sign. We can see that this C and this negative C, this is gone. So we ended up with the A plus D equals to 40 minus 10 is going to give us 30. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. Here's our next step. Let's focus on this first equation, AB equals to 12. Let me go ahead and divide both the sides by B. And as a result, we got this one. The left hand side, this B and B is gone. So we got A is equals to 12 divided by B. Likewise, let's focus on the second equation, BD is equals to 24. Let me go ahead and divide the both sides by B. Therefore, we can write this equation. This B and B is gone. So we got E is equals to 24 divided by B. Now let's focus on this equation 1. Here I am going to replace this A by this 12 divided by B. Likewise, I am going to replace this D by this 24 divided by B. Now let's go ahead and remove the fractions by multiplying by B across the board with each and every term. And we can see that this B and B is gone. So we ended up with 12, plus likewise this B and B cancel out. We got 24 equals to 2 on the right hand side. 30 times B is going to 30B. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by 30. So isolate B. This 30 and 30 is gone. So therefore our B value turns out to be 1.2. So does the value of our box B turns out to be 1.2. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation. A is equals to 12 divided by B, and here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and replace this by B, which is 1.2 in our case. That we figured out. So therefore A is going to be 12 by 1.2, and that is going to give us, if we simplify, that is going to give us A is equal to 10. So that's the value of this box. A turns out to be 10. And now let's focus on this next equation. D is equal to 24 divided by B, and here I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and replace this by P value by 1.2. So D is going to be 20 value. So therefore the value for this box D turns out to be 20. And here the final step. Let's focus on this box. So see, we are supposed to get adding these numbers. A is 10 and this box C, and we are supposed to get 40. Therefore this box has got to be 30. So therefore the value of this box C turns out to be 30. And finally let's go ahead and check these two horizontal boxes. 30 minus 20 is going to give us a indeed 10. So therefore we conclude that all these values are our valid solutions. Therefore the value of A equal to 10, B equal to 1.2, C equal to 30, and finally D equal to 20. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.